The number of bodies in a part can change throughout the design process. SolidWorks makes it easy to create bodies, separate single bodies into multiple bodies, and combine multiple bodies into single bodies. In this lesson, we'll take a look at some of the methods used to create multiple bodies in a part. The simplest example of how to create a multi-body part is to create a feature, such as an extrusion, that results in two or more disjoint bodies. This is easily done by creating a sketch with separate contours. When the extrusion is complete, 3 individual bodies are listed in the Solid Bodies folder in the Feature Manager tree. Note that although I used a single extrude feature in this case, I could easily have created these bodies using 3 separate extrusions. As we discussed in the previous lesson, multiple bodies do not have to be disjoint. For instance, if I create an extrusion on the face of one of these bodies, by clearing the Merge Bodies option in the Property Manager, the result is a separate body. You can see this in the Solid Bodies folder. Multiple bodies can also be the result of cutting a single body part. An example of this would be creating a cut that separates a body in two. When you do this, SolidWorks will prompt you to select which bodies to keep. I'll select all bodies, and you can see the total number of bodies shown in the Solid Bodies folder is now 5. One other method of generating multiple bodies within a part is to use the Split feature. This method and its options will be covered in the next lesson.